Hey YouTube, on today's project, I'm going to be replacing the engine air filter on this Toyota Avalon. You're supposed to change it every 15 to 30,000 miles. In worst or dusty condition, replace them every 10,000. In terms of when I do it personally, I do it every third oil change. So hang tight, I'll show you how. Pop the hood. Purolator A25786. It's pretty basic. It's right here. Pop it open. Clip right here. Clip right here. And those two, just slide it out. Shake it off. Here we go. And if you're interested, right here, it's OEM is Denso. Anywho, let me go ahead and unbox this. Beauty. Slap it in. I gotta use both hands, right? Here we go. I'll keep it rolling. Hang tight. Let me back it up a little bit. All right, here we go. Let me use this finger right here. Slide it in. That's a perfect fit. Those two, slide it in place. Slide it back in. Here we go. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. There you go. That's one and two. Perfect. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.